All right, the inverse tangent of 3/4 would mean that maybe we have a triangle here, and since tangent is opposite over adjacent, it would be this angle, so it'd be in a 3, 4, 5 triangle, and that would be 3 and 4, right? So when it says use whatever identities are necessary, that's basically just saying make sure you know how to find sine and cosine from tangent. Um, so that is 5. Okay, so normally this would be an angle. So this is representing an angle, which we have represented in this picture. So CIS we know represents the cosine plus I sine. So cosine of theta in this picture plus I times the sine of theta represented in this picture. We don't need to calculate it because we're just going to use the ratios, so there's no reason to calculate it. So we have 8 times the cosine of, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so 4/5 plus I times the sine of 3/5. And we multiply that out and we get 32/5 plus 24 I, 24/5 I, or 24 times I fifths, or however you want to say that. So there's our a plus bi form, or the rectangular form of this complex number that's sort of given in a polar form, but with a twist. Then, just to finish this video as requested, number 20 is totally optional and not on the test. It's just a matter of using a formula to plug in just different vector computations. But I don't feel like we need to go through that. And you don't need to do it to get full credit on the review.